During the Lionsgate portal on August 1st, we have a full moon at 9 degrees 15 minutes of Aquarius and Lughnasadh. Welcome to Abundant Universe, the podcast that's all about you. Here we talk about your spiritual activation, awakening, and ascension, as well as your personal path to mindfully manifesting your most magical, fulfilling, abundant, and prosperous reality through quantum physics, ancient spiritual teachings, mysticism, and all things esoteric. I'm your personal energy alchemist, spiritual activator, quantum healer, mindful manifestation mentor, and host, Elle Brandlin. And today we're talking about all the incredible power coming through starting on July 28th, going all the way through about mid-August. So stay tuned until the end to learn how to use the transformational energies of the Lionsgate portal from July 28th to August 12th. Full moon in Aquarius and Lughnasadh, which both happen to be on August 1st, to level the fuck up on your spiritual journey and manifest all your deepest desires, because that's what these energies are all about. Be sure to subscribe wherever you're listening so you never miss an episode, and if you're on YouTube, please give the video a like to let the algorithm know it should show it to more people who are ready to level the fuck up. And before we dive in, I want to make a couple of quick announcements. The first one is for anyone who's been wanting a free sample of what it's like to work with me inside Sovereign Soul Society. I recently created a free membership portal on the Abundant University website, and so far it has a masterclass that'll teach you how to discover who your ascended master guides are so you can connect and work with them more closely. 3 powerful guided meditations, a C-code quantum healing session for clearing fear of your own power, and a 23% discount on all digital products in my shop, including Sovereign Soul Society membership, and that saves you 23% every single month for the life of your membership. So hit up the show notes or description box below to become a free student now, and binge what's available and stay tuned for more to come very soon. I also recently got the most powerful download I've ever gotten, and it was for an actual tangible process that empowers you to alchemize uncomfortable emotions as they arise, reclaim your power from them to use them for your greatest and highest good, and embody your source so you can quickly dissolve the limiting programming and patterns that are holding you back. And I have a couple of one-to-one spots available for support with that using my divinely guided signature emotional alchemy plus source embodiment or EASE code in August. And that link is also below, so grab your spot if it feels aligned, because I promise you've never experienced anything this powerful and transformational before, and I'll be in touch with all of your details. But without further ado, let's get into all these crazy, amazing energies. So let's start with the Lionsgate portal, which is a galactic portal that opens every year when the sun in Leo, the Egyptian pyramids, the star Sirius or Dog Star, and Orion's belt are astrologically aligned. And in case you don't know, Sirius is the brightest star in our night sky, and it radiates approximately 25 times more luminosity than our sun, and is one of the largest known stars in our cosmic neighborhood at roughly twice the diameter of the sun. So this year, the Lionsgate portal will be open from July 28th to August 12th, and the peak is on August 8th, as always. This is a very high vibrational time for spiritual awakening and ascension, manifestation, and personal transformation that has been observed and celebrated since ancient Egypt, when the alignment of the Lion's Gate portal and rising of Sirius coincided with the flooding of the Nile, which signaled abundance and fertility. But the Mayans, who were renowned for their advanced understanding of celestial cycles, also revered the energy of the Lion's Gate portal, and August 8th marked the beginning of a new cycle on their calendar because they believed it offered an opportunity for spiritual growth and transformation. So this can be viewed as the intersection of ancient wisdom, celestial alignments, and spiritual evolution. The portal allows for the flow of higher consciousness, new light codes, particularly of empowerment and expansion, because the Leo Aquarius energy makes this a time of great strength and empowerment, accelerated awakening and ascension, and dimensional shifts, as the veil gets even thinner than it already has been since the Heavens Cross portal began opening on March 22nd. Additionally, the number 8 bears a striking resemblance to the infinity symbol and is all about the mastery of spirit over matter. And according to Pythagorean numerology, the number 8 represents strength, overcoming, victory, success, abundance, and prosperity. So now let's talk about how to manifest using the Lion's Gate portal's abundant energies. First, you want to be prepared for heightened awareness, increased intuition, and a deeper connection with your higher self and inner child as the portal begins to open on the 28th. This may bring unresolved emotions and trauma to the surface to be cleared and healed. Just remember it's coming up to go, so don't resist it. Allow yourself to feel it and then release it. Your body's adjustment to the energetic shifts during the portal may manifest in surges of energy at times and/or periods of fatigue at other times. This time is all about integration and transformation, as limiting programming and old patterns will also likely come up to be released or transmuted. Be observant but unattached to any situations that may arise and invite you to clear limiting programming, create healthy boundaries, alchemize your emotions, reclaim your power, and/or step out of your comfort zone at this time. Remember that even experiences we may judge as negative empower us to level up to the highest possible version of ourselves, so view your triggers as activations to take away some of the potential sting. Be sure to clear any stuck, stagnant, or dense energy from your auric field before the peak of the portal on 8/8, as this will clear the space for you to receive your manifestations. And if you'd like my support with that, join Sovereign Soul Society or grab your one-to-one spot to work with me below. Also, open your heart and thymus or higher heart chakras so you can flow more easily with the energies coming through the portal to receive more abundance at this time by practicing grounding techniques to stay anchored during these powerful energetic shifts, connecting with Earth's energy physically by spending time in nature and stay open to signs even if they seem ordinary, or by imagining roots growing and flowing from your feet into Earth's core, setting intentions to receive clarity plus insights, and be open to the messages coming to you in any way, but especially pay attention to conversations you have with other people because they may say things that activate you. Documenting your dreams in a journal, especially if anything stands out to you. Embracing your inner child and reconnecting with the curiosity, creativity, fun, and joy he, she, or they hold, as this is the gateway to evolution and expansion. So allow yourself to explore with childlike wonder and ask questions like why not and what if. Remaining open to new experiences, embracing uncertainty, and expecting the best of the unexpected. And finally, the Lion's Gate portal amplifies and magnifies the power of manifestation, so make sure to align your beliefs, thoughts, the stories you tell, and your emotions with your desires, and set clear intentions for spiritual growth and personal transformation. And again, I'm happy to support you in this, so check below for the option that resonates most with you right now. During the Lion's Gate portal on August 1st, we have a full moon at 9 degrees 15 minutes of Aquarius coming in at 2:32 p.m. Eastern Time, and Lughnasadh, which is an official Irish holiday and Gaelic festival that has been adopted and celebrated by modern pagans of various traditions and other nature and earth worshippers, and it marks the beginning of the harvest season. Or it may be called Freyfaxi if you follow a Norse or heathen path, although ancient heathens only celebrated 3 main festivals, and this was not one of them. Freyfaxi was actually born in 1975 when Stephen McNallen of the Asatru Free Assembly developed a Germanic version of the Wiccan Wheel of the Year, and he renamed most of the holidays with Germanic-sounding names. And if you want a guided ritual that will help you utilize all of the energies available for Lughnasadh and with the Aquarius full moon, please join Sovereign Soul Society below, or you'll be able to purchase just the ritual in my shop later this week. Aside from the moon in Aquarius, we'll have the Sun and Venus in Leo and Jupiter widely aspected yet strong in Taurus as it's at the apex of this T-square. So this is a strong fixed energy. Taurus rules finances, physical senses, and habits, among other things. Leo is the sun's home sign and is the energy of the heart, and especially with Venus in Leo right now, it's a very passionate energy. It also connects us to this moment and is the energy of now, or the power of now, if you like. And Aquarius connects us to where we're going and our next vision that takes us into the future. But it's also about our collective frequencies and how multiple pieces come together to form the whole, which could bring insights into who you are in this lifetime and how your energy fits into the collective puzzle, as well as insights that give us clarity on our larger patterns, how we've grown and changed, and how powerful that process has been. It's also the energy of brilliance that brings solutions and innovations. It rules our environments and invites us to take an objective look at the habits that are no longer serving us. So these energies also bring an opportunity to shift into a higher consciousness if we make a conscious effort to do so, especially with the Lion's Gate portal in play. This energy could bring downloads or cosmic breakthroughs that may seem unrealistic but are very exciting. So if this happens, don't let your ego or logical mind talk you out of something creative that's speaking to you passionately from your heart. At this time, Jupiter in Taurus is trine to Mars in Virgo, and this is a very grounded energy, which could bring in the specifics of how you can actually manifest that crazy idea or download you got. Just remember not to force it and allow the steps or path of least resistance to unfold before you naturally, because this trine really supports these steps. But Jupiter in Taurus is also about creation, playing with creativity, and how we want to express ourselves. And Mars in Virgo is the energy of excitement to learn new things. So you may find yourself diving down rabbit holes that really interest you. And this could make the process that unfolds for you really interesting, creative, and exciting. In fact, if it doesn't feel exciting and instead feels like a chore, that's how you know you're letting your ego call the shots and it's time to hand the reins back over to your higher self and inner child. Uranus, ruler of Aquarius, is also in Taurus at 22 degrees, which is the energy of receiving financial abundance through your gifts and talents. So be willing to shine your light and showcase your gifts at this time. And it's square to Venus retrograde in Leo. So this is the energy of a connection to cosmic frequencies, other timelines with new possibilities, projects, and ways to create and innovate, which beautifully supports your innovative download and creative steps to manifest any new ideas or projects. So it's time to get curious, explore, learn, and have fun. Saturn in Pisces, which is the energy of intuition, is opposing Mercury, who is at home in Virgo and is a quick-witted storyteller who is adept at weaving ideas into stories. So this opposition could bring to the surface the stories you tell yourself about how you fit into the world and your value, so that you can release the ones that are no longer serving you ahead of the peak of the Lionsgate portal on 8/8. So again, this is about clearing all of those out to create space for what you're manifesting with the portal. And if you want my help with all of this in the form of an all-access pass to all of the amazing rituals, activations, and quantum healing I'm channeling for the Lionsgate portal, Lughnasadh, and both full moons in August, plus everything else inside the membership portal that's divinely designed to help you embody who the fuck you really are, how powerful you are, and what you came here to do, check the show notes or description box below to join Sovereign Soul Society now, or grab one of my very limited spots for support with my incredibly powerful ease code in August, or you can get that by working with me one-to-one for 3, 6, or 12 months, and all the links you need are below, including the one to become a free student so you can see if working more closely with me is right for you. Because you deserve to live in a reality of freedom, fulfillment, peace, the highest joy, magic, and abundance in every aspect of your life simply by being your beautiful, badass self, and I believe in you, so you should too. Much love.